Hi guys, welcome to Bangier Minings. This is a quick video about the dual mining. Fix the error. LOL miner exited code 0 waiting to cool down a bit. Let's start how to fix it. Just go to flight sheets, like make sure second hash is a tune duals and version is selected 1.43. It's already saved these settings. Just make sure that's changing. And second one, dual queen tone, dual violet and pool. Make sure you are using tone pool violet. If you use Wild's tone pool, then give this error. You must change to tone pool, then save it and update it, then check. I hope it will be help you and fix the error. Thank you. Bye.